Eggmas, day 4. In today's Eggmas, I'm going to be doing the Soufflé omelette. If you guys watch Shokugeki Food Wars, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This one is more of a technique than a recipe. Okay, so first I'm going to separate the yolks to the whites. Also, this is the first time I've ever tried this, so I'm hoping that it really works out. Isn't that the weirdest eggshell you've ever seen? It's got a lot of bumps on it. Comment down below if you've ever seen one like this. Now to my egg yolks. I'm gonna add some cream, and then black pepper, and then some flaky salt. acooknamedMatt Spiceology flaky salt. Also, please don't use your flaky salt like this. Use regular kosher salt. This is made for finishing. I'm just doing this to show you guys. I've got salt. Check it out. Okay, so at this point, I'm just basically following what the show did. I'm doing cream with egg yolks, then I'm getting my egg whites, fluffing them up until they're a really stiff peak meringue. Once they're like that, I just gently fold in my egg yolks so it doesn't deflate. Then once I've got that mixture, I'm good to go. Okay, let's see how far I can do this from. So I like to get my butter brown, just so it has like a nuttier taste. Of course that'll affect the color, but I don't care. It's all about flavor for me. Once I had my desired fat in the pan, I just went ahead and added that fluffy egg mixture, covered it. That's the most important part. Cover it, let it sit for around 5 minutes or so, and it came out perfect, y'all. I was really happy with this. Whoa. That is really fluffy. Then I went ahead and just tried it with some flake salt and of course Valentina hot sauce, which is the best hot sauce. And then it was really tasty. I was very happy with the texture, but it wasn't just like the show. Once I had this omelet down, that's when I wanted to make it just like the show. Add that tomato sauce and that garnish, and then we're good to go. Okay, I want to make it just like the show. So, San Marzano, tomato, once I added the onions and garlic in, just some red pepper because I like it spicy as f***. Lots of olive oil, good to go. Here's a quick little tip I like to use with oregano. Take the amount you're using in the palm of your hand. Other hand, and then just rub them together. And this will crush that oregano up into a finer powder. Once that wine is reduced all the way, adding in the tomatoes. Now I just season that with some citric acid. I don't know if most of y'all know this, but if you have a good non-stick pan, all you gotta do is wipe it down with a towel and it's clean. No scrubbing or anything like that with a sponge. This is usually what I do. Let me know if you want more tips like this. They seem simple to me, but I guess they're not to most people, so let me know. How jiggly that is. Okay, so I think this looks just like the one from the show. This is pretty cool. That's a good thumbnail. Cool. So guys, keep in mind when you serve these, it's a souffle, right? Not technically not like a souffle, but it's a souffled omelet. That's what we're calling this. So it will deflate quickly. So you want to serve these immediately. Time to try this out. Eggmas day 4. Smash like, subscribe.